야, 어글리 코리안.
어글리 코리아? 어글리 킹. 어글리 오징어. 어글리 치. 현재 시간 6시 35분. 도착 10분 전. 시드니 온 소감이 어때?
시드니 온 소감? 안상이지 뭐 시드니. 야 멜번 리즈번 갔다 왔는데
근데 11시간 걸렸잖아. 안 힘들었어?
힘든 거보다 옆에 있는 그 인도 친구들이 냄새 풍기는 게 장난 아니야.
세 자리인데 혼자 쓴 거예요. 씨 어글리 코리안이네.
Hi guys.
Here we are in Katoomba.
Welcome to the new video channel. 오,
But we don't go this way because only tourists go this way.
So I don't go.
Go this way. 진짜 이쪽으로 진짜로? Korean style.
Maybe halfway.
Hey, ask for early check-in.
Wait, tourist first.
Okay.
Can you take a bag?
Yeah, just this there, just open there.
What time check-in?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Oh.
Oh god.
There's no early check-in or something.
I had like pretty much the full hotel checking out, so we're just doing all the cleanup, cleaning the rooms.
Okay.
A lot of work till 2 o'clock.
Alright, got it.
Definitely not
Yeah,
ready.
we'll just
but
come
you,
back.
but
저희 뭐 하고 있나요?
Okay, I explain to you, okay?
Okay.
The plan now is to pre-hot the oven because we are going to cook pizza.
Yay!
Are we Italian? No, we are Korean, but we are going.
Joy. Joy's turn. So where we go?
Yes.
Place.
if you recommend the reception.
I'm not a tourist. I don't ask.
Yeah. We just go.
Yeah, we just.
We travelers.
We travel.
Right.
We're not tourists.
Tourists find everything before they go.
Yeah.
Traveler find out what there is. Oh shit. I like.
So you see this girl. She go, and there is Three Sisters. It's famous.
I know,
Oh.
Three Sisters.
So we can go.
Famous one.
It's a Three Sisters. Very good. I want to go here. Lincoln's.
Okay.
So
Me too. From now on, me too.
Me too.
Me too too.
We took two.
Me too too.
Me too.
콜드 워터. Hey, I'm going to Blue Mountain. Yeah, I'm going to.
DJ.
Jimmy is the tour leader.
Yes. Hey Edward, nice to meet you. How are you today?
No, he's not tour leader.
yeah, that's right.
Someone like that, I can say, well, I'm safe. Therefore.
You alright?
No.
Yeah, ho ho.
Absolutely. If possible,
어디 갔어?
yeah, both mine best.
지금 나 서로 각자 사진 찍기 바쁨. 오.
Here we go.
Hey, let's go.
몰라.
If you want to stay here, you'll be the tourist, okay?
I'm not tourist.
Yeah, I'm
I say I'm traveler.
오. 소리 질러! 소리 질러! Yeah, we're lost.
We fucked up.
Goodbye, Jace. Goodbye. Yeah.
We're lost, so we called Uber. $28.
hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking, you can?
Who
I
comes?
try.
You try?
Baby.
Korean guide, bro. Coach
Mm-hmm.
and colleagues.
Yeah.
Hey, can I come?
We're co-workers. 시기네. 살짝 톡 뛰는 게 나아요. 안 뛰잖아.
Okay.
스케일스톤.
Focus.
야.
근데 이거 이렇게
How was the sunset?
보면은 좀
Amazing.
Amazing.
밝게 나오긴
I'm speechless. So
Compared to Uluru,
It's
tough.
different,
Different.
but I can feel the nature here, so I feel very possessed by
Possessed.
by the fresh air of the nature, and I think the trees want to communicate with me,
Yeah, me too. I felt that too.
you know, because I'm a children of the forest.
Oh.
So I grew up with wolf, so you know,
You raised by wolf?
yeah.
How about you? How about your family?
I lived them when I was 3 years old,
Uh-huh.
and I went to the forest and raised by wolves. So
굿!
you know,
you want?
it's like my home.
If I saw those before I was gonna since you I asked you the time for the club. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
굿?
Oh, I guess.
무슨 맛이야?
그냥 고기 맛인데?
I love it. Today, perfect. We can see forest because we bushwalking. So very good. I feel like Bear Grylls. Do you know Bear Grylls? No.
오자고. This is your last.